If you've ever starved yourself until dizzy or pushed through exhausting workouts, only to see minimal results and rapid rebound weight gain, chances are you haven't found the true fat switch. Today, let's examine cagrilintide, a peptide that helps reduce fat while preserving precious muscle mass. As a next-generation amylin analog, cagrilintide targets fat through 3 distinct mechanisms. 1. Appetite brake plus digestion slowdown. It mimics the amylin hormone naturally secreted by the pancreas, directly targeting the brain's appetite center to create a strong feeling of fullness. After just a few bites, this naturally reduces high-calorie intake while slowing gastric emptying to prevent the frustrating cycle of feeling hungry right after eating, all without the struggle of extreme dieting. 2. Targeted fat burning. Clinical data shows that using cagrilintide alone for 26 weeks achieved an average 10.8% weight reduction. When combined with semaglutide, the fat loss effects become even more impressive. 3. Eliminating stubborn visceral fat. Beyond reducing subcutaneous fat, it significantly decreases waist circumference and visceral fat content, meaning belly fat and beer belly can be reduced more effectively. It also improves metabolic indicators like blood pressure and lipid levels, offering cardiovascular protection while you lose weight. Key advantages: losing fat while preserving muscle. Many people's biggest fear in weight loss is muscle loss. Reduced muscle mass means lower basal metabolism, creating a predisposition to weight regain, along with loose skin and a less toned physique. Cagrilientide's core advantage lies in its ability to maximize muscle protection during fat loss. The Redefine 1 trial revealed that in the CagriSema group, 67% of weight loss came from fat, while only 33% came from excess water and metabolic waste, with a muscle loss rate significantly lower than traditional weight loss methods. This means you're shedding almost pure fat while maintaining muscle mass, resulting in a firmer, more defined physique. Some users may experience mild gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea or diarrhea, though these typically occur during the initial dose escalation phase and gradually diminish as the body adapts. The incidence of serious adverse reactions is extremely low, with better tolerance than many traditional weight loss medications. Whether you have a BMI is greater than or equal to 30 obesity, BMI is greater than or equal to 27 with complications like hypertension or dyslipidemia, or even type 2 diabetes, cagrilintide can be used under medical supervision, meaning you don't have to abandon body composition goals due to underlying health conditions. For modern individuals seeking efficient fat reduction without muscle loss, cagrilintide breaks the curse of weight loss, necessarily meaning muscle loss, through its precise fat reduction mechanism, scientific muscle preservation ratio, and convenient administration. It makes weight management easier, healthier, and more sustainable. If you've been struggling in the cycle of dieting, gives rebounding, gives losing muscle, consider this new option validated by large-scale clinical trials. Begin your efficient lose fat, keep muscle journey under professional guidance. Finally, it's crucial to emphasize, cagrilintide isn't magic. It should be viewed rationally and used scientifically. To learn more about health, remember to follow me. Feel free to suggest which products you'd like to see covered next in the comments below.